Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn off the ringer on a Vtech cordless phone. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you want to turn off the ringer on your Vtech cordless phone, it's actually really easy to do. We're just going to access the ringer menu and we're going to change the volume to off. So you have three options essentially. You have off, low, and high, and if it's high, then you're going to get a very high volume ringer. If it's low, you're going to get a low volume ringer. And if it's off, you're going to turn the ringer off. So to turn the ringer off is really easy. Here we go. We're going to go to the menu button right here. Okay, let's bring it a little bit closer. We're going to scroll until we get to the ringer option. Okay, ringers, hit menu select again. Now we can adjust the ringer volume or the ringer tone, okay? So if you want to change the type of ringer that you're using, you can adjust the ringer tone, but we're going to actually adjust the ringer volume, so I'm going to select this. Now it's on low mode. I can go high or low or off. So when you get to off, the key factors you're going to have to hit select. That beep confirms, that little sound confirms that you selected that. And we now turn the ringer off. That easy. It's that simple to do. That's it. And literally, so, if you want to make sure that you're not getting disturbed at night, you can turn the ringer off, and it says right there, it said ringer off. This way it's not going to ring and you're not going to get disturbed. And it does alert you so that you would have to visually look at the phone and watch it light up in order to know that someone is calling, right? Because it's not going to ring. Or if you have other handsets in the house, other phones in the house, then they would ring if their ringer is set to on. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.